Hello friends, my name is Aman. I am going to tell you about that I am going to start a new English journey after New Year. After December this year, I want to be fluent, and you guys support me because there are so many mistakes in English, and I will fumble a lot, and there will be so much fun in my videos, and we have 3 months. We want to start a new English journey. The new English journey is going on. We have sent the videos to you, and you like them and share them and share them as much as you can, and subscribe it and share it to many people and say that subscribe it, and you ask that what you wanted to ask from us, that we will describe about it, and you will get to know like this. We all will know that what is this, what's that, what's this, what's that, then we will be fluent in English, that we can speak fluently in front of an English speaker, because he or she is very fluent nowadays. The people of Tajwal would say that, look, the Uttar Pradesh people don't know that what is English. So we want to learn English as much as fast, because we have to go ahead from them and fight against them in speaking English. Okay, that's why we have to learn English, and then we can go to Taj Mahal. The founders out there, they ask many and hundreds and millions questions to us. And that's why, and you can see this is the leaf of the greenery, and this side you can see there are many veins in it. It has a long veins. Look, you can see anything? Can you see? Okay, and look this side. These are the leaves. You can see this is the leaf. This is a thin stem. After that, it is so thinnest. And you can see now clearly because the sun rays are falling on it.
Yes.
And the weed climber is over here. You can see over there. This side you can see, upper side. The bean climber is over here. I want to show you something. Look, the beans are getting bigger and bigger. This is the smallest, and there are flowers over here. You can see, and one flower is dying, and you can come inside. You can see I am the king of the bees. Bye. We'll meet in the next video. Like,